up, guys? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I have a product that we haven't unboxed yet. This is the PRO-16RC. This is an in-ceiling speaker from Klipsch, and what I like about this one is it does have the ceramic metallic woofer, and it has a rotatable tweeter as well as a rotatable woofer, so you can direct your audio right towards your target seating area. 6.5-inch woofer and a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter with their patented linear travel suspension system. All right, so let's open it up and see what's inside. You guys subscribe to our channel, check out our other videos. We do have pretty much every single speaker unboxed from Klipsch at this point. At least all their in-walls, so you can compare them all side by side and check it out. We've also installed them in a lot of homes, so make sure to check that out. Comes with an owner's manual, warranty card. This is one cool thing they do with the Pro Series is they have a paint protector. So you can install your speakers in a room, throw the paint protector on and paint the whole room, pull it off, and then throw your grill on. This particular series I also like that they provide square and round grills, and these are magnetic. Then the speaker itself. A really well built speaker. I do love Klipsch. So you can see it has a two-piece design. The outer, let me take this out so you guys can see. Has the outer ring like this, which you can install first, and then your speaker pops right into place. Pretty cool. If you're tight on time though, it's better just to screw it straight in. Depends on your comfort level though. Basically the tweeter and the woofer rotate like that. Tweeter. To really hone in on your target area so you don't get audio loss. On the back, massive magnet, nice push button, gold terminals there, and spring-loaded toggles like this. Pop down just like that and clamp to the sheetrock. But this is a overview and unboxing of the Klipsch PRO-16RC in-ceiling speakers. We do carry the full line of Klipsch. If you guys would like architectural speakers, bookshelf speakers, floor standing speakers, heritage speakers, anything in the lineup, we have your back. Low price guarantee with nationwide free shipping. My name is Zach with Dreamedia. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. Thank you for watching.